guys, for those who are new to my channel, this is Liliana from Sugarella Sweets. Today is Cupcake Sunday, and I'm going to show you a great way of making these adorable flamingo cupcakes. Hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. So this was my way of making these adorable cupcakes. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, simply subscribe to my channel for free. Don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of new videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.